Let's be real. In 2025, life in America isn't cheap. Grocery bills are higher, rent keeps climbing, and gas prices seem to jump every other week. For many people, an extra $100 a day isn't just a bonus, it's survival money. The good news? You don't need a fancy degree, thousands of followers, or even a full-time business to make it happen. There are side hustles that regular Americans are already using to pocket an extra $100 a day. And in this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best ones you can start this year. Number 1, freelance AI services. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you make money. People are using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva to deliver quick online services. That might sound complicated, but it's not. For example, you can offer to write product descriptions for small businesses, create social media posts, design logos, or even help someone clean up their resume. On websites like Upwork or Fiverr, clients are already paying between $20 and $50 for these small tasks. Do just 3 of them in one day and you're already over that $100 mark. And here's the best part. The AI tools do most of the heavy lifting, so you don't need years of experience to get started. Number 2, local task apps. Not every side hustle needs to be online. Apps like TaskRabbit, Instacart, and DoorDash are still booming in U.S. cities. On TaskRabbit, people pay for help with everyday jobs like assembling furniture, hanging curtains, or moving boxes. The average worker makes about $30 to $40 an hour. Do 3 quick jobs in an afternoon, and you've already hit your $100. If you prefer driving, Instacart and DoorDash can get you there too. Deliver groceries for a couple of hours during peak times, stack a few orders, and you'll easily cross the $100 line. The beauty of these apps is flexibility. You decide when to log in and when to log out. Number 3, print on demand. This is one of the most underrated online hustles. Here's how it works. You design something simple, like a funny t-shirt, a coffee mug, or a sticker, and then upload it to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. When someone buys your design, the platform prints and ships the product for you. That means you never need to deal with inventory or shipping. The real trick is tapping into trending niches. Think memes, sports, or even US events like the elections in 2025. A single design that catches fire can bring in more than $100 in one day, and it keeps selling while you sleep. It takes a little creativity at the start, but once your designs are up, they can earn passively for months. Number 4, remote customer support. A lot of American startups and online businesses don't have big call centers anymore. Instead, they hire part-time customer support reps to work from home. These jobs usually involve answering emails, helping with live chat, or solving basic customer questions. Pay often ranges from $15 to $25 an hour. Work a 4 or 5-hour evening shift, and you're already at $100. The bonus? You don't need to sell anything or convince anyone. If you can type clearly, stay polite, and solve problems, this side hustle can be a steady source of income. Number 5, short-form content editing. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding, and content creators are desperate for editors. You don't need Hollywood skills for this. Basic knowledge of CapCut or Adobe Premiere is enough to get started. Here's the math. Many editors charge $20 to $40 per video. If you edit just 3 shorts in a day, you've made your $100. And the demand isn't slowing down. With millions of US creators posting daily, there's an endless stream of work. If you enjoy video editing or want to learn, this is one of the fastest growing hustles out there. So to recap, freelance AI services, local task apps, print on demand, remote customer support, and short-form content editing. Each one is proven, each one is flexible, and each one can realistically earn you $100 a day in 2025. Which of these side hustles would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more real money-making ideas that actually work, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown.